By the way, for your number 8 emergency fund, I think it makes sense to put the emergency fund in a high yield savings account, because anyway that's going to be in an account, right? So you might as well put it in an account that gives you the highest interest rate, which is, as far as I know, a high yield savings account. And also put it in an account that, I know I'm going back to it, sorry about that, but put that in an account that you don't really have access to like that, because this is for emergencies, it's not for fun. Okay, that's important. You don't need to have any cards associated with that account. You need to make it as difficult as possible to get the money out. But obviously, when you need the money, you can get it, but not that easy to access. Like maybe you don't have any credit cards. Definitely, you don't have any credit cards associated with your account, or even debit cards. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to bring that up because that's important in protecting your emergency fund.